Hello everyone, my name is Luis. I'm the founder of Concrete Trip Hazard Repair and Concrete Design and Repair. And what we do in this division is we specifically address concrete trip hazards such as this. And over the years, what I had found from service calls at my other company is that these type of trip hazards are too small for a large concrete contractor to fix, but they are too important to not address. And after doing much research, I found that there's many laws here in Georgia that require property owners to maintain a safe access to their doorway. Laws such as public safety laws, ADA, HUD, just to mention a few. So I've read a lot about that, and I've seen many horror stories from insurance claims and personal injury lawsuits that motivate me to start this division. So what I have below is services we offer. Maybe if you're interested, you can look at some of the services such as curb grinding, concrete resurfacing, and you can click on them to learn more, and maybe we can take it from there. Thank you.